One drop of sweat contains thousands of chemical compounds, and dogs can smell all of them. That's how they detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even COVID before symptoms appear. So, how do dogs do this? Their super smelling begins when volatile or gas molecules land on the olfactory epithelium, a sensory sheet filled with millions of receptors. Dogs have as many as 300 million of these receptors, compared to our 5 million as humans. Let's look at the specifics of their noses that let them do this. First, inside of a dog's nose are turbinates, thin folded bones. If unfolded, they'd cover an entire sheet of paper, while ours barely cover a sticky note. Next, dogs inhale with a split airflow, one stream for respiration, the other dedicated to odor analysis. Dogs keep one section with a super strong, undiluted scent and the other for air to enter the body, giving them the ability to smell things humans could not. Dogs sniff up to 10 times a second, gathering chemical data frames like a biological camera, bringing in each scent to be processed by the brain, like a data center, constantly storing and gaining new smells. This constant supply of smells requires a big processor, shown by how their olfactory bulb is proportionally 40 times larger than ours, making their ability to identify different smells much stronger than our own. This can be tied into disease identification by dogs, as every disease changes the body's chemistry. Cells metabolize differently during cancer, infection, or even inflammation. They produce unique volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, that escape through sweat, breath, and saliva. These differences in the chemicals we release are immediately picked up by our dogs. Examples of this shown in multiple studies where dogs detected cancer samples with accuracy that was comparable to diagnostic testing. It has also been found that trained dogs could identify COVID-positive samples with sensitivity and specificity over 90% accurate. The same is true for diabetic alert dogs, responding to shifts in isoprene and other VOCs associated with hypoglycemia, or having too much sugar in the blood, most commonly found with diabetes. In other words, disease has a smell and dogs can detect it long before humans feel sick. So the next time a dog sniffs you, remember they are reading chemical information your senses can't access.